Our ancestor is Alash. Our kerege is a tree. Armslar dear world. Today, the next video dedicated to interesting stories and cases about famous people. Kazakhstan is rich in wonderful peoples. Now I'll tell you about how Mukhamedkhanafia, known as Series. Enjoy watching. Before sunset, a deer drinking water from a still lake saw a hunter on horseback coming from the top of a hill and ran away. The two hunted others aren't far behind. In order to prevent the deer from escaping into the wasteland, the hunter on a horse galloped in a circle and turned to a group of birds blurred from afar. Two others were also chasing after him. The sniper boy Mukhamedkhanafia, who was standing in the shelter of birds, pulled the trigger of his gun and the deer fell flat. Seeing this, Grandfather Shaqshaq took off his burek and said, "Arwaq, Arwaq." Getting off the horse, he sat and hugged the sniper boy. "My dear, my light, my jumpers. May God make you like your heroic ancestors." Grandfather and grandson are approaching the village. The woman sitting by the hearth greets their father-in-law, who was walking with a deer. The head of the family left the house. "May you pray double, old man," he said, and with difficulty lowered the heavy deer to the ground. "You were shooting." "Mukhamedkhanafia shot, not me," Shaqshaq said, looking proudly at his grandson. "Wow, an 8-year-old boy can also shoot a deer." "I couldn't give a name to this child. From now on, the name of the shooter should be 8, one sister-in-law said. "Eight, this is a good name," said the other sister-in-law. "From now on, the boy who shot a deer at the age of 8 is called 8. The sister-in-law hugs and kisses her brother-in-law, who has jumped off his horse. So the old man Shaqshaq, who became famous in his years for courage, takes care of teaching his grandson various martial arts. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.